Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mark. All right, it's episode 4. It's not a banger, not a long video, but I had some questions from some people if I was going to sell my Noco Genius 30 amp 3-bank charger now that I've got a different one in the boat. And the answer is yes. This thing works 100%. Everything is intact 100%. This thing works perfectly. It doesn't do lithium, but it does everything else. So if this is something that entertains you, their specs are available online. It's the Gen 3 3-bank 30 amp Noco Genius. This thing's been dynamite, but when I stepped up to lithium for my trolling motor batteries, I needed to step up my charger. So that's why I'm selling it. No other reason. It works perfectly. So at any rate, if any of you are interested in that, please reach out to me at mjbfishingllc@gmail.com and shoot me an offer. A reasonable offer will be accepted, and I can ship it right out to you. So let's see what you guys think of that. Now, I was out fishing yesterday, had a great day, and we're going to edit that up this evening, and we'll have that out for you tomorrow. That'll be a great video. And we're also, I think sometime during March, we're going to do a little giveaway. I got some stuff, be a nice little package we could put together towards the end of the month for you guys. But I'm looking forward to that. And man, it's just, the weather here is so bipolar. It was very nice this weekend. It's going to be nice, I think, coming up this following weekend too. So look for more fishing content this week, and we're going to hit it hard, you guys. It's going to be a tough road for me to do that many videos in a row, but we're going to try. I'm going to do the best I can. So at any rate, I did something else, which I thought was cool for the garage. I got this Mr. Buddy heater. Look, it's blazing. And I was getting tired of these cylinders here. These, I don't know, these Coleman cylinders. They last a couple hours on one of these Mr. Buddy deals. So what I've done is I went ahead and purchased the 12-foot hose that goes to the tank right here. That has made a big difference in the garage, because this time of year, you guys, it's tough to be out here when it's real cold. So this little Mr. Buddy heater, I think, is going to help us this year, especially with this goal of trying to achieve a video every day. I'm going to have to be out here doing that a lot. So anyway, that's just how it is. That's what we're doing here. But it's, oh no. There we go. We're ready though. I got my sissy sticks right here. These are ready to party. We got some stuff over there that's all fired up. So I can't wait for Thursday and Friday, Saturday of this week. We're going to hit it hard. Today was the last day of our park being open at work, so my shift changes a little bit. Starting tomorrow, I work Monday through Thursday until the middle of March. So anyway, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. If you're interested in that Noco charger right here, please reach out to me at mjbfishingllc@gmail.com. Leave me your information, how to get a hold of you, and an offer, and I will consider it. So I hope you guys are having a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy.